Halo semuanya, apa kabar? Semoga baik-baik saja ya. Jumpa lagi dengan saya Miss Yo. Hari ini saya sedang berada di rumah teman saya. Kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris secara bersama-sama. Kemudian di hari ini juga teman-teman saya akan menerapkan satu teknik terbaru buat teman saya pertama kali, yaitu saya akan meminta teman saya untuk membaca satu buku cerita yang dalam buku ceritanya tentu ada versi bahasa Inggrisnya. Kemudian bila teman saya sudah membaca halaman demi halaman, saya akan meminta teman saya untuk menjawab pertanyaan dari isi bacaan yang dibacanya, atau dengan kata lain reading comprehension, yaitu pemahaman bacaan. Dan yang kedua, saya akan mengulangi atau mereview kembali bentuk tenses yang sudah kita pelajari seperti simple present tense, present continuous tense, kemudian present perfect dan sebagainya melalui isi bacaan tersebut, yaitu teman saya mencari kalimat yang sesuai dengan bentuk pola kalimat yang sudah kita pelajari. Dan yang ketiga adalah writing skill. Nah teman-teman, setelah belajar bahasa Inggris bersama, saya juga akan bertemu dengan salah satu anak berkebutuhan khusus yang senang berbahasa Inggris. Bagaimana sih serunya hari ini? Yuk teman-teman, kita simak saja langsung videonya. Bila ada pertanyaan ataupun masukan sharing dari teman-teman, jangan lupa diisi pada kolom komentar. Dan tentu saja, sampai jumpa lagi pada video berikutnya. Okay, now we are going to study reading comprehension from this book. We read the short story Semut yang Baik Hati, or in English, The Kindness Ant.
The kindness and
Okay, so from this book we learn about reading comprehension, and then we read page by page, and I ask you what about the tenses, and then also the question about the story.
Okay.
And then after that we are going to practice writing skill. Okay. Now I make a sample for page 1. In a shady forest, there were a group of animals that lived in harmony in the west of the forest. There was a deer, a flock of ants, and a lizard. They lived happily as family, looking for food and playing together. Okay, I will make a question like, who live in the forest? The answer is animals, or maybe the answer is
Animals.
Yes, ants, lizard, and deer. Okay, and then what are they doing there? What are they do there? What are they doing? They are looking for food and playing together. That is the answer. And then next, we found the tenses in the story. For example, that is simple past tense. There were a group of animals that live in harmony. Simple past tense. Okay, your turn.
One day, the deer and the ants looked at a walk. They were looking for food together. Look at that apple tree. It has a lot of fruits. We will take a few apples to eat together, said one of the ants.
Okay, the question about the story. Who
Where?
were looking for food together?
Apa? Who?
Who were looking for food together? Who were looking for food together?
The deer and the ants.
Very nice. What are the food they looking for?
They were looking for food together.
Yes, what are the food?
The apple.
Okay, fruits. Okay, apples. Okay, So you find tenses in the story.
Past tense because the deer at the end took a walk.
Yes, simple past tense. The deer
Yes.
and the ants took
Yeah.
a walk.
And then they were looking for food together. Ini ada continue past tense sih.
Simple
Simple continue past
past
tense.
continuous tense.
Simple
Past
past
continuous
continuous tense. Ya karena kan
tense.
past itu karena ada were.
Oke.
Continue itu ada ing, looking. Ya kan,
Yes.
gitu. Karena kita belum belajar juga kan. Kita
Oke.
belum masuk karena kita nanti ya after ini ya.
Oke.
Terus ada juga we will itu pasti future ya.
Yes.
Will. Nah kita belum sampai tapi final gue tahu karena lu pernah ngebahas we will take a few apples to eat together. Berarti dia future simple future tense.
Okay,
Udah.
good for you. Next. Okay, next.
Let's have an apple party in my house. Invited the deer. They brought the apples to their house to be enjoyed together. The deer cut the apples into small pieces so the ants can easily eat them.
Okay, the question is, who invite them to make a party in his house?
Gimana?
Who invite them to make a party in his house?
The deer.
The deer. Okay. What is they bring to the deer house?
The apples.
Very good. How do they feel in the party?
How
How do they feel in the party?
do they
The feel in the party.
feel enjoyed together?
Yes, very good. Okay. Now your turn. Find out the tenses in the story.
Bentar, has itu perfect, simple present perfect karena dia ada let's have an apple party in my house, berarti kan itu
Present perfect tense.
simple present perfect tense gitu.
Oke.
Itu yang pertama. Terus ada juga invited the deer sama they brought the apples to the deer house to be enjoyed together, itu past tense, simple past tense.
Very good.
Udah.
And
itu.
then
the deer cut the apples itu simple present tense.
very good. Okay. Next.
Apples are ready to eat. Let's have an apple party, said the deer. The deer and the ants eat apples together. Suddenly,
Okay, now time
Writing.
to practice
Writing.
writing skill.
writing skill.
Okay. Number 1. Write down animals. Number 2. Write down deer.
Deer.
Yes, deer for the animals, not deer for your honey. Write down family.
Huh?
Family.
Family.
Okay, next number.
6.
Write down forest.
Forest.
Okay. Number 8. Write down apple tree.
Apple tree.
Yes,
Bukan apples tree.
apple tree. Just only one apple.
Okay.
What number next?
21.
Okay. Run away.
22.
The lizard stolen the fruit. Okay. Good job for you. The last one. The lizard promised to the ant
Ants apa ant?
ant. There's only one ant. And deer. What car is it? What car is that? Ambulance or truck? Oh, truck. Or truck. Oh, that is police car.
Mommy, taxi.
Oh, taxi.
Of course,
Oh, the car fall down. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.